today. Okay, so this one. Mana dia? Bentar. Where's that? Oh, okay. So this one, day 5. We will go to this one. Therefore, okay. So today is that it will be the last chapters about the pattern ya. Jadi cara ngomong yang bikin panjang itu, it's the last chapter because the next we will talk about something else. And then what is about therefore? Nah, therefore is about summarize. Jadi yang kayak kemarin pakai so, nah itu pilihan kalimatnya seperti apa? We will learn about that today. So summarizing is speech using the correct cohesive devices. Dan contohnya seperti kemarin ada opening praise, main idea, explain, ada give example dan ada summarize-nya. And then this is the praises for conclusions. Jadi contoh-contohnya seperti ini. Ada pakai so yang paling common, ada juga pakai in short atau singkatnya, atau bisa pakai in brief dan pakai therefore to sum up, all together. So all in all, bisa juga pakai to wrap up. Nah, I really love this one. Biasanya aku pakai ini, to wrap up, atau bisa pakai in summary, to conclude juga boleh, in conclusions, atau yang common juga pakai the conclusions is. So, the conclusions is, nah biasanya pakai seperti itu ya. Tapi kalau aku paling suka pakai yang so, all in all, atau bisa pakai to wrap up. Jadi untuk ngebungkus semuanya, so that's my conclusions gitu sana ya. To wrap up all, bla 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 bla. So that's my conclusions. Atau bisa juga nggak usah dijelasin lagi that's my conclusions, tapi langsung aja dijawab. Seperti itu ya. Okay, so let's practice guys. So let's go to siapa ya yang belum pernah? Sismian, what about you? This one, Sismian. What kind of meals do you like? What kind of cuisine or meals do you like and why? So just give jangan lupa pakai openingnya, and then pakai giving opinion, pakai examples, conclusions-nya. Seperti itu ya. Dengan pertanyaan what kind of meals do you like?
Oke, good evening. Good evening. Selamat malam semua.
Ya, betul, good evening.
Oke,
Betul.
good evening. Oke, good evening all. It's nice question I think ya.
Mhm.
What kinds of meals do you like? Basically, bahasa Inggris apa sih pantangan ya?
Maksudnya pantangan gimana?
Saya tidak punya pantangan, jadi semua suka gitu loh.
Oh, I don't have some things that I don't like. Bisa juga pakai kayak gitu kalau lagi ngomongin makanan.
Oh, oke. I don't have the kinds of meal I don't like. It means
Mhm.
I like all kinds of meals. But
Oke.
if I choose, I will choose noodles,
Yum.
bowl
Okay.
noodles or fried noodles like that. So
Mhm.
if I have time to take a lunch in outside in my break time in office,
Mhm.
I prefer choose in take lunch in Chinese restaurant like that.
Mhm.
I don't
Mm.
know why I choose noodles, yeah, because I can describe it, but I like very much noodle like that.
Mhm. Okay. Noodle.
Uh,
What kind of noodle? Noodlenya yang dry noodle yang kayak mie goreng atau mie kuah?
Boiled noodle, fried noodles, it's okay for me.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
I, yeah, I choose ini bangka mie ayam bangka like the
Oh,
such mie ayam bangka yang
wow. Okay.
keriting itu loh.
Ya, 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 ya. Yang curly ya.
Yang curly ya. So,
Oke.
if I have a question which kinds of meal I like, so I prefer to choose noodles.
Okay,
Okay,
noodles.
thank
Interesting.
you.
Okay, that's really good. Thank you so much, Sis Mian.
Thank you, sis.
Okay, what about Sis Andena? What are you there, Sis Andena? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so what about you? What is your favorite meals? What kind of meals do you like? Nah, tapi dibikin kayak tadi ya. Jadi ada openingnya, example, conclusions, pokoknya dibikin panjang. So what about that?
Yes. A great question. And then actually, I don't like the food have a strong smells like
Hmm.
durian. I don't like it. And then what kinds of meal do I like? Like maybe spicy food,
Hmm.
maybe like noodles, seblak, and yeah. My kinds of meal I like is something spicy. Like
The spicy food. Yeah. So you don't like curry? Curry smells a bit strong, so you don't like it?
no, I don't like it.
Okay, okay, okay. Interesting. Thank you so much, Sis Andena.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about Bro Wahyudi? Do you often dine with your family or friends? If you have a chance that you prefer to dinner with family or friends, or both, which one, Bro Wahyudi?
Okay, thank you. Do you often dine with your family or friend? Actually, I often dine with my family, especially in the weekend season. One of favorite restaurant that I always come to there is in Madiun City iClub because the condition is so so quiet with background swimming pool and then complete with live music. I like so much, and my basically I like all of meals except salty taste because I have high blood pressure. This is
Oh,
not
you
good
have
for
a
my
high
health.
blood pressure. Okay.
And my favorite menu is rawon. Rawon is
Oh, your favorite meal.
as information in the World Cuisine Championship. Rawon get number 2, second favorite menu in the world. Number 1 is rendang.
Yes,
Yes.
rendang.
Rawon consists of meat with black
bean.
In especially such I can eat in the hot condition with rice and kerupuk. It is better if we eat in the dinner session with my family in the week session. Maybe some of you have rawon too, and we can get dining together with menu rawon. Thank you.
Oke, rawon. Bahaya nih ya, Bro Wahyu ini ya. Ngomongin makanan ya. Aduh, 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 aduh. Oke, thank you so much, Bro Wahyu nih.
Thank you.
So ya makanan Indonesia itu emang nggak bisa dilawan ya. Jadi udah flavor food rasanya. So what about Bro Wawan? Are you there, Bro Wawan?
Halo.
So what about you, Bro Wawan? Tunggu sebentar, aku tanya pertanyaan yang lain. So this one. When do you usually eat dinner? Biasanya what time? When do you usually eat dinner?
Yes, thank you, Misi siapa nih ya? Aku
It's
baru ikut.
Rachel.
Oh, Rachel, okay, Mrs. Rachel, thank you. I usually dinner is egg time.
8 p.m. 8
Yeah,
p.m.
egg PM. And I like menu Indonesian is nasi goreng spicy.
Fries, okay, spicy fried rice.
Yeah, spicy, pedas ya, pedas.
Spicy fried rice, okay.
Yeah. And then I like to drink is hot water, apa air hangat apa?
Hot water, warm water, warm.
Yes, warm water. And then next I'm eating
Halo,
makan ya,
darling.
makan ya tombol besoknya lagi pagi.
Oh, the next morning.
Oh yeah, the next morning.
Okay, okay. So I always eat.
Yes.
Jadi boleh dibaca ulang. I usually eat dinner at 8 p.m.
I usually dinner at like 8 p.m.
Ya, oke. Jadi ditutup lagi ya, pakai conclusions-nya. Oke, that's really cool. Thank you so much, Bro Wawan.
Welcome.
Okay, so next siapa yang belum? Sis Nabila, are you there, Sis Nabila?
Yes.
Okay, so what about you? Are there any fruits or vegetables you don't like?
Okay. Thank you, Sis Rosel. Nice question. To tell you truth, I have no doubt that I don't like durians
Oh.
because I think it smells terrible.
Okay, terrible smells.
Terrible. Although processed into other foods, I don't like, for example, saus tempoyak. This is a cushion from Pontianak, and this ingredient 60% is durian. Durian cakes, pancakes, and other things. Because the smells may be very disturbing.
For you, the smells is really bothering.
Yes.
This disturbing
Yes.
you. Okay.
Yes. So,
Okay.
all in all, I don't like durians because the smell is disturbing.
Okay, that's really good. To make a conclusions is really good example. All in all, so I don't like durian. That's really cool. Thank you so much, Sis Nabila.
Yeah,
Okay, so next I will go with tunggu dulu ya. I still have time, I think. Wait. What about Sis Atria? What about you, Sis Satria? Are there any fruits or vegetables you don't like, and why?
Well, interesting. Actually, I don't really like vegetables.
Oh, really? You don't like
Yeah.
vegetables? Okay, why?
Because I think they have a plain flavor, and sometimes they they left a sour
Ada
flavor
aftertaste-nya ya?
yeah.
Aftertaste, okay.
I don't really like vegetables. But I love fruits so much, especially durian. I love the most. Yeah, I love the most because it tastes so sweet and it's creamy, and also even if it also left a horrible smells. Yeah, but the taste is the taste is really good, and I love that. So to wrap up these things, I don't really like vegetables, but I love fruits so much.
Oh, okay, but you don't have any allergy, right? It's only because you don't like.
No, I don't really have an allergy to something, but yeah, it's just that I don't really into that vegetables at all.
Okay, what kind of vegetables that you can eat?
Is potato can be considered as a vegetables?
Yeah. Potato is a vegetables.
Potato, tomato. What else?
Cucumber.
Nah. It,
Ah.
uh,
Oh,
that's
that's spinach. That's spinach. What about spinach?
nah, that is bitter.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
that because they have a smells ya.
yeah, yeah.
Oke. Berarti
It's
yang
a
paling aman
bitter.
berarti potato lah ya.
Yeah, potato,
Ah.
tomatoes, corn.
Uh-huh.
I can still bear with it.
Mhm.
And I think there's
But what
nothing
about
else.
onion?
Is that a vegetables?
Onions like it can be like a vegetable, something like a shallot, but you use it. You use it for
Yeah,
cook.
yeah.
Okay.
Vegetables, onion, garlic. I
Mhm.
still use it for
Mhm.
cook, but I don't know if it's vegetables or spice. Can be considered
Yeah,
as
herbs
spice.
sometimes like spices, like that kind of things. It can considered as a pages too, but sometimes it's just like a mystery ya. Kayak egg itu
Yeah.
duluan telur apa ayam gitu. Jadi sama aja
Yeah.
tuh mirip-mirip kayak gitu. Okay, interesting. Okay, thank you sis Atria.
Thank you, Miss Rachel.
Okay, so what else? What about Sis Nopa? Sis Nopa, are you there, Sis Nopa?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so this one. Do you think people enjoy this one? So I want to ask you about this one. Do you think are you cooking and at home? You always cook?
Sometimes I cook, sometimes I buy from GrabFood.
Oh, okay. So do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for you? Do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for you?
Thank you. That's a nice question. For me, sometimes I cook if I miss my hometown because I live in different island with my father. My father live in North Sumatra and I live in Jakarta. I live alone. So if I miss my mom cooking food, so I
Your
will try
mother's
to
food.
cook it by myself. I will
Oh,
try. So for me, so that's overall for me, cooking is a pleasure.
oh, cooking is a pleasure.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. So what kind of food that you cook if you miss your mother the most, for example?
Ikan arsik,
Ikan arsit. What is
cassava leaf.
Mhm.
Well, we call it this is a fish with sour taste, sour
Oh, okay.
taste.
What about cassava leaves? Cassava leaves that if in nasi padang that we always use with the coconut milk. What about there? Is that different?
No, it's different. We need to make it uh ditumbuk, aku nggak tahu namanya.
Oh, okay. So you have to
Uh,
ya maksudnya harus ditumbuk, munch.
yes, yes, and also we put some fish there.
Oh.
Eel.
Oh, eel. What
Yes.
is eel?
Lele kering tuh
Oh,
apa namanya?
oke, ikan lele.
Iya.
Oh, oke, pakai itu. Tapi pakai with the coconut milk too as well?
Yes, yes, the
Oh,
same.
okay. Oh, it's just the same. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, siapa tadi si Mamora ya, right? Right?
Nopah, ya.
Oh ya, Nova si Mamora. Okay, so thank you, Sis Nova. Nice. Okay, so that's about the things. Okay, this one. Nah, this is a reminder ya. Jadi kalau sana ini untuk yang semuanya complete in one page. So this is about the opening praise. This is the recalling because today is the last day that we will talk about this. So just remember about this. And it's really good. Jadi kalau ada yang mau di screenshot ya, karena ini semuanya lengkap udah di dalam satu page. So this is the opening praise-nya. Jangan lupa bahwa ada oh wow nice question to tell you the truth. Ada it's a great questions honestly. Ada juga pakai my questions. Ada kalau formalnya itu bisa pakai I see, but may I have some time to think about it? In my honest opinion. Atau bisa juga pakai well, give me some time to think please. What I think about this is blah blah blah. Atau bisa this is the most challenging question. Well, I suppose blah blah. And then untuk main idenya we will go for this one. Bisa pakai frankly atau jujurnya, sejujurnya atau bisa pakai to my mind, in my opinion, bisa pakai I'm absolutely convinced atau bisa pakai my opinion, my impressions, atau bisa juga yang from my point of view, the common things. And then for example, bisa pakai such as, for example, to make it clear, atau bisa pakai as an illustrations, bisa juga pakai perhaps, mungkin, perhaps you are aware of, bla bla bla. Dan untuk summarize, itu juga boleh pakai in short atau so, all in all, kayak tadi udah ada yang pakai, ada to wrap up, bisa juga pakai therefore, itu juga boleh dipakai ya. Itu untuk summarize-nya, seperti itu. Okay, so this is, okay. So now, so far, before I divided you in the breakout room, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan? Adakah pertanyaan?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, so let me choose the questions first. Wait. Oke, so sampai sini untuk 5 materi itu jelas ya semuanya ya. What is it? Okay. Okay, so I will divide you in the breakout room. Wait. This one will be better. Okay, so the questions for today, the topic for today that you have to talk is discuss about share one valuable lesson or skills that you've learned recently and how it has impact for your personal growth. Jadi just share about your valuable, do you have like a valuable lessons atau skills yang dipelajarin yang baru-baru ini atau yang pernah dipelajari yang menurut kalian tuh really impacted your personal growth. Jadi untuk pertumbuhan personal kalian itu kalian merasa bahwa wow, this really good for you, your personal growth ya. Ada nggak skills atau kayak lesson, pelajaran apa yang pernah kalian dapetin, yang pernah kalian pelajarin, ikutin, dan itu tuh benar-benar bisa meningkatkan your personal growth. Begitu ya, that's the question. Just share about everything. For example kayak, atau planning. Aku pengen banget belajar bahasa apa, atau yang lain. Aku pengen belajar ini karena menurut saya kayaknya ini bagus untuk personal growth. Yang sudah diambil boleh atau yang akan diambil juga boleh. Ya, just share about that kind of things and what did you learn from there. Okay.